How to fix checking for updates taking too long in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're facing a problem like checking for updates taking too long, so you just have to simply click on your settings option from here, and then you just have to click on the Windows update. And if the updates is taking more than the usual time, you just have to search for troubleshoot settings from here, and you just have to click on the other troubleshooters problem from here, and you just have to click on the run beside the Windows update section, and after that it will detect if there's any problem with the Windows update. So it's now detecting if you have any problem detecting or getting the Windows update on time. So as you can see, there is no problem, so you just have to click on here, and if this doesn't solve your issue, you just have to go to the Windows search bar and look for the services option from here, and after going to services, you just have to simply search for the Windows update menu. So here's the Windows update, so you just have to right click on it and click on the properties from here, and you just make sure the service status is running, and you just have to click on OK, and then again click on the Windows update, right click on the Windows update and click on restart. So Windows is attempting to start the following service, so it's just restarted now. So you can just check, and now your Windows update should not delay, or Windows taking too long problem will be fixed now. So that's it for this video guys, see you on the next one.